This year, the Florida Department of Transportation will begin its State Road A1A Haven Ashe Bridge Maintenance Project in the city of Boca Raton. Improvements include painting the steel and concrete portions of the State Road A1A Haven Ashe Bridge. The project is anticipated to be completed by fall of 2020 at an estimated cost of $802,818. Traffic impacts will include a full bridge closure during bridge painting operations for a maximum of 60 days. Bridge closures will not occur during some special events, and marine traffic will be maintained through the navigable waterway while channel restrictions may occur. Detours will be provided during full bridge closure to direct motorists to Federal Highway via East Palmetto Park Road and Hillsborough Boulevard. A virtual public meeting will be held regarding the bridge painting project on Thursday, July 23rd from 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. with brief presentations followed by comments and questions from the public at 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. To join the Microsoft Teams live event, please use the following link: https://fdot.cc/all-caps/SRA1A-bridge-P-Painting-P-meeting For more information, please contact FDOT Project Manager Kevin McCochie at 561-370-1146 or Community Outreach Specialist Angel Garner at 561-886-8773.